so what? No way. Oh, I'll get it. Hey guys, welcome to our hobo party. Hi. Hey. Okay, so let's go upstairs and begin our hobo party. Okay. Coming. Ooh, I need to go to the bathroom. Psst. Hey, Gibby's birthday is in 2 weeks, right? Yeah, he sent out these flyers. Well, I want to make him a video for his birthday. A video? And he likes to make videos of his cat. Does it work for that? Yes, it works on cats. Great, let's go. So, all I need to do is boop, 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 beep, boop. So, I think we're all done now. Now, let's go. Ah! Oh my gosh, I'm sorry. No, it's okay. It's okay. Oh, no. No, it's not fine. It's not fine. What? What? Uh-oh. Gibby, it's not what you think. I invite you to my friend's house, Gibby. I bring you an ice cream cone, and you do that to me? But, Gibby, listen. No, you listen. I don't need your details. You betrayed me. You both betrayed me. I am gonna beat you down. Friday, at the gym, at 8. 02. Bring him out for the blood. 02?